Alright, hello guys. I'm going to be showing you how you can make webhooks that send embeds to a Discord server from Roblox Studio. And it's actually pretty easy. You can log a lot of things like if players leave, players join, what players do in the game, if they press a certain button. There's all sorts of things you could do just to keep track of what's going on and send it to a Discord server. So the first thing you want to do, go to server settings, and I've already made a webhook called test, but basically the only thing you need to do is you can put a name for it. You can select the channel you want to send the logs to, or whatever the embeds you want to send to a certain channel, and you want to copy this thing called the webhook URL, which you just copy that and delete that. So now we have the webhook URL. Go into Roblox Studio, and we're going to make a script in workspace called webhook, or whatever you want to call it, and it's going to be a regular server script. Start off by doing local URL equals the link you copied from the actual webhook, and you're going to make another one called HTTP game service, HTTP service. Now we're gonna get to the actual stuff. Players dot player added connect function. Boom. So what we just did is we assigned two variables, which is the URL for the webhook, HTTP. We got the HTTP service from the get service thing, and then we made a what's it called, a function or whatever, that basically waits until a player joins, and then it executes the code in here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a thing called data, and it's kind of like a table or local data, whatever, local data. And so this is where everything goes for the embed. We're gonna make a thing here, embeds, and then within that we're gonna do think title equals test, and then make sure you put commas here, like I didn't do. Description equals test. Alright, and that should be all we need for that. We'll edit these later. Oh, oops. And then local final data equals HTTP JSON encode, and that's gonna be data. And then we're gonna do this HTTP post async URL, and then final data. So basically this encodes it so I can send it actually to Discord, and it'll be understandable. And then this basically means to post it, which we're posting it to this URL, and this is the data we're posting to it. And when we press play, it should, I got a ping on Discord, and then we get this little thing right here. So let's make it say player joined, and then we're going to change an argument up here that's player name, and then has joined the game. So if you know what this is an argument to player added, which is just the name of the player. Okay. Why am I getting that cursor? Alright. We're gonna press play. And then we get this player joined, and then my username has joined the game. So there's also other things you could do with this. Wait. So another field or for embeds is color. And to get color, what I use or what I do is this thing called Disco Hook, which it'll create. It's a webhook generator. You can put anything here and it'll generate code. So you're gonna add an embed. You see, it puts JSON data, and there's a color picker. Fuck. There's a color picker, and generates a color, and then outputs value at the code. Alright. Put that here. And then when we play, hear the ping, it puts the color there, and it looks good. Alright, so another cool field is URL. And so I put it links to the player's profile who joined the game. So whenever I press play, and it links me to the player's profile. There I am. Alright, the last thing I'll be showing for fields and stuff, or embeds, yeah, is fields, which is pretty cool. You can add as many of these as you want. So if you do fields equal two brackets, you can put name equals hello. This is just a test to see value. Those are the two main things you could set for the field, if you understand. And then when we press play, get a notification, and then this is the name, and this is the value down here. So it's actually a lot you could do with embeds, and there's more if you guys want to figure out how to format this correctly. There's a lot of stuff you can do. But let's get on to logging different events other than just when a player joins. So we're going to copy this, and let's say a player leaves. Do player, wait, what was it again? Player removing. Has left the game. And then let's try it. So we get the notification that they joined. See when they leave, player left. So I don't want that green color. Let's go to Disco Hook. Change it to red. Get the color value down here. And then color. So it's pretty simple. If you know events and how to make this stuff, it's really easy. Let's see. So yeah. Alright, that's all I'm going to be doing for this video. If you guys want me to go more in depth and explain this further, just tell me in the comments, and I might do that in the future. But this is kind of like basics. Like, you can always change more if you know how to format this correctly. If you want to add all this different stuff, it's pretty fun. But that's all I'm going to be showing for this video. Yeah. See you guys in the next video.